Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Mastery course. So in this particular session, we are going to understand about like what is domain, why we need domain, and we are going to understand about the domain registration and management with Route 53. So that was all about this session, which we are going to learn. So now let's start the session. So in this particular session, we are going to understand about the domain registration and managing the domains. So first, let's just understand let's take the overview of all these things. So first, like what is domain registration? So domain registration is basically a kind of a process where you purchase the domain, where you try to acquire a domain, okay, from the domain registrar. You can get the domain from AWS, you can get the domain from Hostinger, GoDaddy, from anywhere in the world. So there are lots of things. But the question is next, why use Amazon Route 53 for domain registration? So it is integrated DNS management, and it provides actually seamless connection with other AWS services. So if you want to build an application around AWS, so always go for Route 53 domain. Okay, and it is having very simple domain interface and domain management. So now apart from this, let's try to understand like how we can manage the domain, like how we can register the domain. Okay, so for doing this, I need to show you practically. So for that, let's just go to our AWS console and understand this. So now as you can see, like I'm in my AWS console, and now let's just search for Route 53, and here we got this Route 53 window. Okay, so here we are having different thing, but here in this particular session we are learning or understanding like how we can what I can say, register the domain. So as you can see, we are getting lots of options. So here you can get the option like registration, domain registration, and from here you can get the option. So now let's just take one domain or any random domain. So I'm just saying UK. I'm just a random name, so that we can have the like this thing available. So it is saying UK. I don't know like what exactly it is mean. So this is this domain, like whatever we are looking for, it is having the exact match, and it is available for 40 USD per year. So now let's just click on select, and from here you can proceed to checkout. So this is how you can actually purchase a domain. Okay, this is how you can register a domain. And once you will click over here, like it will give you I can say the payment page. So but here, like let me just click over here. So as you can see, like you just have to pay, and once you will click next, it will ask you for the contact information and everything. You just have to fill all these information, and then you will get the domain in your account. Okay, so this is how you can I can say register a domain on route by using Route 53. So I hope you guys have understood about the domains and the domain registration, and you have also understood like how you can manage your domain, and why we need domain as well. So that was all about this session. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, just take care of yourself. Thank you so much.